Our universe is believed to be about 14 billion years old, and it contains a mind-boggling amount of matter. There are over 100 billion galaxies, and within each galaxy lies over 100 billion stars. Why is this so important to us? Well, stars are the reason why we exist. How does this happen? Let us go back to the beginning, how stars form. It all starts with a giant cloud of gas in space. As the cloud of gas gets localized and becomes more massive, its property of gravity becomes stronger and therefore drags more and more gas inward. Over time, this process results in a compacted dense mass of gas under a large amount of pressure, in a disc-like shape. Temperatures will start to rise, and once the center gets to approximately 10 million degrees Fahrenheit, the star will be turned on, analogous to turning on a light bulb. A turned-on and active star undergoes a process called nuclear fusion at its core. Nuclear fusion is a process by which hydrogen atoms fuses together to make more massive atoms, like helium. Helium then fuses to make carbon, and so forth. This process is so important to us because not only does it release energy, but it also is the only source of atoms heavier than hydrogen. All of the carbon plants use, to the oxygen the animals breathe, all the water and the metals in our environment, even humans. We are all made out of stardust. When a star runs out of materials to sustain nuclear fusion at its core, it will start to expand due to the fusion happening outside of the core. The dense and increasingly hot core also pushes everything outwards. Once the core collapses, the star will eject its outer layer, resulting in a planetary nebula. The remaining core will be considered a white dwarf, which is roughly the size of Earth, and is less luminous than the star it was. How a star dies depends on its mass. If a star is roughly 30 to 40 times larger than the Sun, instead of a planetary nebula, it will die in a supernova or a hypernova. And its remaining core will become the most powerful object known in the universe, a black hole. Black holes are objects so dense and massive that nothing can escape its gravitational pull, not even light. Stars are incredible astronomical objects, and they open up so many new insight on the universe. Was there a Big Bang? How does the universe work? Are there multiple dimensions? Astronomers today are using what they observe about these objects to try and tackle these questions. Stars are truly objects of wonder, and we have one right in our sky.